Hi friends, you're back with me, your friend for biology, Professor Girish Kukreja. Today we'll be talking to the point on only three basic classes of drugs. There are many more, but this video will be dedicated only to these three classes of drugs, right? So talking about the first class, that is your opioids, right? So talking about opioids, these are specific drugs which are having their specific receptors on the central nervous system and the gastrointestinal tract. Remember, acting on both, having receptors on both the central nervous system and the gastrointestinal tract. Heroin, right? Not the one in the movies there, right? But heroin, which is also commonly called as smack, is one of the examples of this class, which is actually a diacetyl morphine. So remember, heroin is a diacetyl morphine, and it is a white, it is odorless, it is a bitter, so don't take it. Anyways, if it was sweet, it was not good. So it is white, it is bitter, it is crystalline, it is odorless compound which is obtained by acetylation of morphine, which is actually extracted from this latex of the poppy plant, the Papaver somniferum. So obtained from the latex of this poppy plant, Papaver somniferum. This drug is usually snorted or it is taken by injection, and it actually is a depressant. So already we have a lot of depression, but then sometimes when there is a lot of anxiety and all, then this is used, but don't abuse it, right? So it is a depressant and it slows down the body functions. So remember, it is your opioids obtained from the poppy plant. It is a depressant, right? It is what we call as obtained from Papaver somniferum. We have another class, that is cannabinoids, which have specific receptors again in the nervous system, especially and principally in the brain, right? So this cannabinoid obtained from the inflorescence, the natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of the plant called as Cannabis sativa. So you use the flower tops, the leaves and the resins of this cannabis plant in various combinations. They are used to prepare your favorite charas, ganja. Oh, I know they are not, but then you have your charas, ganja, hashish, marijuana. These are also taken by inhalation or they are taken by oral ingestion, and they have specific receptors also and have their effects on a cardiovascular system of your body, so affecting your brain and your cardiovascular system. Then you have this drug called as cocaine or coca, obtained from the plant Erythroxylum coca. So this particular coca plant, Erythroxylum coca, native to South America, it gives this drug which we also popularly called as the coke or crack. This is actually this drug is a stimulant. It is going to interfere with the transport of your neurotransmitter dopamine. So the transport of this neurotransmitter dopamine will be interfered by this particular drug, that is your coke or crack. It is going to make you crack. So it is actually going to enhance your energy levels. It is going to help you to feel this sense of euphoria, and then it will enhance the energy levels. You will feel an increased energy level. Excess of this particular drug is going to cause hallucinations. So you'll be like imagining anything, sitting anywhere. So I'm not going into the detail of each of these words here. We are just having a compilation of all this. So excess dose, it leads to hallucinations. Other hallucinogenic drugs which have hallucinogenic properties are your atropa, belladonna and datura. These cannabinoids are actually nowadays being abused by the sports person. So beware of such people and beware of these drugs. You don't need drugs for living a happy life. We need to be happy. We need to prepare these chemicals in our body without being dependent on these particular drugs, which have disastrous consequences, which we'll be seeing in our further videos. So remember these opioids, these cannabinoids, and this coke or crack. So stay tuned with me, Professor Girish Kukreja. Thank you.